You open the envelope at midnight, and the judge's order says, "Supervised visits begin next Monday." Your stomach drops. What happens to your Saturdays, your game day routine, your chance to rebuild trust? Hold that feeling for a second. There are calm, concrete steps you can take. Let's chat.
Welcome to Danni's Den, your weekly mix of law, love, sports, and pop culture. Today, we're tackling supervised visitation, what it is, how to document progress, how to parent warmly under supervision, how to date carefully, and even how to keep your Eagles or Yankees rituals alive.
Quick content note. Some of what I talk about touches on safety and child protection. If you're in immediate danger or dealing with an active child protection case, reach out to local resources or a lawyer right away. This is general information, not legal advice.
Picture the rest of this episode as a toolkit. You'll get a clear definition, a copyable visit log template, a short message you can send to a co-parent, a practical rule about when to ask for a modification, and easy rituals to keep normalcy for your kids.
Here's my core take. Supervised visits are usually a pathway back toward normal parenting, not a permanent wall, and the court responds to steady, documented progress more than dramatic promises.
First, what supervised visitation actually looks like in practice.
It's court-ordered parenting time with a neutral adult present, often a professional or approved family member.
The intent? Safety plus a measured path to restoring unsupervised time, not punishment.
Common reasons judges order supervision include safety concerns, substance use, mental health issues, or when the court needs a controlled setting to evaluate parenting. But there are a lot of myths floating around.
Myth 1. Supervised visits mean you'll never get unsupervised time again. Not true. Many orders are temporary and dependent on measurable progress.
Myth 2. The supervisor decides custody. False. Supervisors report observations. Judges make decisions. Myth 3. Providers just watch and never help. Many supervisors actually coach interactions and note small improvements that matter to the court.
So what looks like progress to a judge or provider, regular attendance, following rules, completing recommended programs, clean tests if required, and safe, age-appropriate engagement with the child. Judges like patterns, steady steps, not one dramatic day.
Now, the paperwork that actually moves your case. Before a visit, confirm time, location, and what items are allowed. A favorite toy, a blanket, a small snack. Bring a short plan of activities so the visit feels purposeful. Providers usually keep a log, arrival, behavior notes, what the child did, and how transitions went. Ask, politely, what they document and how you can access reports. Imagine the supervisor's short report. Arrived on time, parent followed suggested activity, child seemed reserved. Now, imagine you, a minute later, saying to your lawyer, "I kept a dated log, and I brought the same stuffed animal every visit." That small back and forth, provider note plus your simple fact, is what builds the judge's picture. Keep your own court-friendly record. Copy this visit log template verbatim and start tomorrow. Visit log. Copy this. Date. Start time. End time. Supervisor. Child mood, 1 to 5. Activities. Factual notes. No opinion. Follow-up steps taken. Keep notes short, factual, and dated. Don't editorialize. That log becomes evidence you can share with your attorney or the court when the time is right. A practical rule. Wait until you have at least 3 months of consistent, incident-free supervised visits and at least 2 provider reports showing improvement before asking your attorney to file for modification. Fewer sessions are usually not persuasive.
Parenting inside supervised time can feel clinical. Make it warm with structure. Predictable greeting, a short shared activity, a calm goodbye. Small rituals create safety. Follow the child's lead. Mirror their emotion. Use tiny phrases that help. I'm proud of you for trying that. Or, let's take 3 deep breaths together. Those lines matter more than long speeches.
If you get emotional, name it briefly. I'm feeling disappointed, but I'm here for you. Then move the focus back to the child. Courts notice parents who can regulate and reflect.
Dating while under supervision. 2 rules. Put safety and stability first, and be cautious with disclosure.
I'm focused on reunification and will not introduce new partners to the kids during supervised visits. I'll let you know if that changes. That message is brief, respectful, and sets boundaries. Avoid public arguments. Avoid introducing partners during visits. And be careful with social media. A single post can be used in court. Now, game day rituals. Routine matters. If your Saturdays or Sundays are all about the Eagles or the Yankees, bring a miniature version to visits. A team hat, a 2-song playlist, a simple pregame snack.
If visits are short, focus on a lead-in ritual rather than the whole game. A game time handshake or a printable sticker scoreboard works wonders for continuity.
And seriously, keep the playfulness. Don't turn the game into court talk. Humor that centers the kid is safe and healing. Music moment. Pick 3 short songs your child likes. 1 to start, 1 for a mid-visit activity, and 1 to cue goodbye. Slow R&B, acoustic 90s or early 2000s pop, or simple instrumental versions work well. Over time, those songs become small anchors of safety.
Before we close, 3 concrete steps you can use tomorrow. Start the visit log template I read earlier. Build a tiny, repeatable visit routine. Greeting, 1 shared activity, calm goodbye. And keep dating private while you're in supervision, and avoid introducing new partners to the child until the court modifies orders.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to Danni's Den. New quick episodes on law, love, sports, and pop culture every week. You've taken a good step today. Let's chat.
Thanks for listening to Danni's Den. If you're dealing with a specific legal situation, please consult a family lawyer or your provider. This episode doesn't replace legal advice. You can send a direct message to the show or visit the Legal Assistance Center's website to ask about a consultation. You've taken the first step by listening. That counts. Let's chat.